Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you why Next Protect won't connect to Wi-Fi in 2026 and how you can fix this particular error. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing. Nest Protect works best with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So if your router is using 5 GHz, the device may fail to connect. So the fix is you need to switch to 2.4 GHz network and then you can try setting it up again. Now, if the device is too far from the router, it won't connect properly. So you need to move the Nest Protect closer to the router during setup and then you need to install it in place later. Now, even a small mistake can stop the connection. So make sure that you enter the exact Wi-Fi password and avoid any special characters if possible. Now, even after doing all of these things, the issue still persists. You can just simply take a look at the router settings, whether these are blocking the connection. So some of the advanced settings can block the smart devices. So in order to fix it, you need to basically check the AP isolation, and if it is enabled, you need to disable it. Then you need to also disable the MAC filtering. You need to use the WPA2 security. Sometimes the problem is in the setup process itself. In order to fix that, simply open your Nest application. After that, you need to restart your phone and try setting it up again. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Nest Protect is now connecting to Wi-Fi again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.